How to upload HD videos on TikTok. Hello everyone. So if your TikTok videos appear blurry or low quality, after uploading, here are ways to upload high quality or HD videos to TikTok without losing the quality. So first of all, go ahead and launch your TikTok application, log into your account and make sure that the TikTok is updated to its latest version. Now you can go ahead and create a new video by tapping the plus button at the bottom, or you can either record a video directly or upload one from your gallery. Now once you select the video that you'd like to upload, you can add music, effects, and text, whatever you want to, and then tap on next again. Go to the page where you write your video description. Now tap on more options and then scroll down and enable the option of allow high quality uploads. If this is already enabled and you still have issues, proceed to the next step. Second, go to your TikTok profile. Now once you're here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on data saver or data usage. And here you will see the option of data saver. So if you have this option enabled, this feature saves mobile data by compressing the videos, resulting in the lower quality uploads when using the mobile data. So disable this option. So this setting does not affect videos uploaded over Wi-Fi. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please do record your videos at the highest possible quality. Adjust the settings within the TikTok app and your videos should upload in high quality. So if you found this guide informative or helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.